Hello and welcome to Artemis Rising Tarot. Today's reading is for the sign of Aries. So let's see what's going to happen here. I want to say that my readings are very unique. They are all timeless. Now, this reading may be about the past, present, future. It could be about a spirit trying to communicate with you, so please keep your mind open. I will never reach out to you to offer personal readings, ask for money or donations, or try to sell you anything. And these videos are for entertainment purposes only, although you may be surprised at what you hear. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing, because it really helps my channel to grow. All right, let's see what happens today. What message do we have for the sign of Aries, please, for their greatest and highest good? Thank you. Message for Aries. Thank you. I feel like this is a lot. All right. I feel like they want to say a lot today. More than I wanted to say. I wanted to try to keep this short, but it looks like they really have a lot to say. All right, let's start. They're really talking about, and I don't know if this is someone around you. They're saying this is in the subconscious. This is not even conscious. Maybe you're not aware of it. Maybe this is in you, or this is someone around you. I can't say at the moment. I really need to clarify a little bit more. But they're talking about that there's been a sense of disappointment. There's been a sense of feeling like you're not able to hold on to the happiness that you once had. You're feeling like you just can't take on much more. It's like you're at your emotional limit. Like you really can't handle much more. I feel like there may be someone around you that is always talking about stuff that they love, but it's almost becoming annoying. Maybe don't want to hear it. I feel like you are at a place in life where you've worked really hard and you're trying to preserve what you have, trying to safeguard what you have for the future. I feel like you're really proud of your work, but there's someone around you that's never happy. Oh, that's what it is. There's someone around you that always wants more. Isn't happy with what they've been given and just wants more and more and more and just keeps talking about it. I feel like there's a lot of people involved. It's like a lot of energy. We also have a feminine coming through, like a feminine type energy where you know that things are constantly evolving, constantly growing. Everything is in motion. You know that you can create more. You know that you are loved. And you have the energy, the determination, the will, the drive around you to keep going. But there's someone that is not happy. It's like it's not enough. There's something missing. I have another feminine energy coming through that tries to talk to this person, tries to bring healing. Offers healing, offers support. I don't know if that's you or someone around you. But I see you, or what I believe to be a characteristic within you that is very discerning, vigilant, sees things other people don't see, very wise. Knows not to say anything. Thinking that maybe things will kind of resolve themselves over time. I think maybe sees the future of this person that is just never, there's not enough, there's never happy, just wants more and more. I don't know why I'm getting that. I feel like you know that there are cycles to life, and sometimes we are up and sometimes we are down, but eventually we go back up. That all life is a cycle. It's shown all around us in nature. And even though people may say things to you, really trying to get at you, I feel like you know that they can't really hurt you. That nothing that happens really can touch you in a way because you're so resilient. I think you grow back stronger. I feel like you hold on to your truth no matter what other people say. And I have a feeling this is happening with either someone from your childhood or your family. And there's a lot of unresolved issues that have never been addressed. So I feel like this isn't a family unit. And you're trying to maintain your course and you're trying to stay in balance with all these other energies that are around you. I think you're trying to stay in your happy place and trying to stay balanced, even though there's so much happening around you And you can see the truth. You can see what's going to happen. It's like, I know what's going to happen. I can see. It's almost like you can see the future. So some of you may have, or not even that, you're just really good on patterns. You're really good on picking up information that other people don't see. You're very intelligent and wise. And I think because at times you have a lot of passion, that people don't see that side of you. I feel like you're going through a big change at this time. And it's like when you emerge, no one's going to recognize you. I feel like the person in your life is what Spirit's showing me, that really is just not happy with whatever is offered to them. Pretends like they're happy. It's like it's an illusion. Some sort of illusion. Oh, I'm happy. And they just keep going on that way. No matter what source gives them, hands them. I don't think it's you. I think it's someone that's around you and in your energy. And I don't know exactly who it is because there's so much. I have masculine and feminine energies here. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. They're pointing out to me that it is not a coincidence that this masculine is reversed. It's also somebody from your past, but in a lot of feminine energy is more receptive, more not really taking action type of person, where I think you take more action. This person is more taking and you're more giving. I just have this feeling Aries is more action orientated, takes action, wants to see growth, will do the work, will step in. They just use that passion to push them, propel them forward. Actually, I've only known only a few Aries really, really well. And I see that they accomplish a lot because they put their aim on something and they get it done. All right, let me get some clarification on this. Oh, I don't even want to touch this. This is, I really don't even want to touch this. Oh, all right. I think we got this. Let's get some clarification on the Son of Cups. Thank you. I think you're going to learn the truth about this person. I really think it's a masculine possibly in your life, and you're going to learn the truth about them, is what I'm hearing. Tell me more about this Daughter of Wands, please. And I think that's your energy. Daughter of Wands for Aries. Just one, please. Just one. Thank you. And tell me more about the Nine of Cups in reverse for Aries, please. Can you tell us more about that? Thank you. Can you tell me more about the Daughter of Cups, please, for Aries? For Aries today. Tell me more about the Mother of Swords for Aries. This might, for some of you, let me see. They may be talking about a past relationship for some of you. Tell me more about the Mother of Swords. Thank you. Yeah, there you are. Tell me more about the Five of Pentacles in reverse, please, for Aries. Tell me more about the Five of Swords for Aries today, please, for their greatest and highest good. More about the Five of Swords. Give us a little bit more. Just one, please. Oh, okay. Tell me more about the Eight of Swords for Aries. All right. Yeah, I think you're going to learn the truth about this person. I feel like you have a lot of wisdom. And it comes from your soul. I feel like you do what you desire to do. You take action when it's time. And you kind of do your own thing. They're also saying someone does not know what they want. Someone didn't know what they want. They didn't listen to their own heart, or they didn't listen to their own wisdom. I don't think it was you, though. I think it was someone around you, someone you were involved with, or someone that that's important to someone. Okay. It's really hard to explain. For some of you, this could be a married couple that you know, is the best way to put it. It's somebody close to you, and it could be like a divorced, I should say. They were married at one point. One person decided to go their own way. I'm hearing that. I don't know why it's affecting you. I think you're going to learn the truth about it. They're saying the unhappiness comes from somebody that just held on to material things. It almost overwhelmed them because they weren't able to they wanted to hold on to material things, is what I'm hearing. It's like that you go your own way. This person makes no sense to you. It's like gluttony. I'm hearing hoarder. I know it's terrible. This is not about you, and I don't mean to talk bad about people that you know, but it's Spirit is showing me that it's almost to a point where it's consumed them, and it's causing unhappiness, and I don't think they are aware of it. I don't think they even see it, but you do. And I don't know why Spirit is bringing this up. Okay, what else are they saying? They're saying that I think you try to show this person compassion. You tell them that you care about them. I think you try to help them, heal them. I think this person doesn't really value your relationship. Doesn't accept the healing. Doesn't hear your words. Doesn't accept your cup. It's like you are giving them and saying the things that they need to hear, that you know, that they want to hear, that they need to hear, and yet they're not taking it. They're not hearing you. It comes from your heart. I think you're trying to tell this person that you see this, and you're telling them from your heart. You're telling them from a place of healing, and I feel like this person is not even hearing you. Is not willing to accept how this emotionally, you're offering help and this person's not willing to accept the help. I think that you are like, okay, you're deciding to make your own choices and take matters into your own hands. You know who you are. You know that you're abundant. You know that you have what it takes. You know that you're intelligent. You understand you're coming into your power. Or you have come into your power. And you're not allowing this to make you feel less than, left out, or hurt. It's like, I think they try to deny that you see things that probably you shouldn't see. They're trying to hide a lot. I feel like there's a lot hidden. They're trying to just cover things up. And they're trying to deny everything that you see. And they're trying to justify their actions or their words or what they're doing. Oh, this is really interesting. I feel like it's going to get to a point where you're going to accept something new. Whether this be a new job, a new opportunity that's presented to you. They might, someone may offer you something. Spirit may offer you something because you're not going to allow this to, you're just going to grow back stronger. And you're not going to allow any of this to bother you. They're saying that you're trying to go through a big transformation. You're trying to avoid a big tower moment. You're trying to, and I have feelings a lot of people involved here. And it's within the family or within the workplace, people that you're very close to. I'm seeing a lot of maybe childhood friends that you know. And it's like no one's taking responsibility. I think everyone is just having a good time. While you are dealing with all of that and trying to avoid things happening, I think you're going to move. You're going to have your guard up. You're going to be protected. And you're going to move forward. And you're going to invest. You're going to take this pentacle and invest it in something else. Or someone else. Maybe even in yourself. I feel like a lot of healing in the root chakra is going to take place. This is what's happening as all this is happening around you. It's like you're not going to let this tower fall, at least not for you. I feel like you're going to take action where some other people are not. I don't know what this is about. All right, let's see if there's any advice from Spirit about this reading. All right, thank you. Now, this may have, I'm trying to figure out, because there's so many people here, this may have happened in a family at one point. This may be a spirit describing what happened in their life. You know, so if none of this is making any sense, that very well could be it. And it would be somebody in your family or someone, a close friend, somebody that I feel maybe learn some lessons. Okay, tell me more. The sign of Aries, please, for the greatest and highest good. Thank you. What more do we have for the sign of Aries? What advice do we have, Spirit? Thank you. Right, let's see. Let me just turn this one over. Cycles, yeah, that's what we talked about. All right, message for Aries today, please, for their greatest and highest good. What advice do we have? What is this about? Can you tell us more about this? Tell us more about the situation, please, for the sign of Aries. Thank you. Can you tell us a little bit more? It will be very clear what this is about. I'm just going to leave it at that. Let's see. All right, they're talking about, possibly an air sign. Possibly an air sign. Someone is threatening. Someone's threatening to take someone to court. This may have to do with an air sign. This has to do with some sort of illusion. This has to do with words being said. A lot of hot air is what I'm hearing. And it's not from you, it's from someone else. Could possibly be from, there's one more. A man. See? You're going to learn the truth about this man. Okay. Could possibly be an air sign. Could be a lawyer. Could be involved with law. Okay, so it necessarily doesn't mean that someone's going to go to court. I mean, that's possible. This person could be threatening to take someone to court. This person could also just be a police officer involved with the law And it could be a judge, a lawyer, or an attorney, you know, any of those things. They're talking about building trust and miracles. It's going to be a miracle here with this. They're talking about understanding your multidimensionality. And that's really deep. I don't even know how to begin to explain that. But you're going to be learning more about it. Okay? I don't need to explain it, they're saying, because you're going to be learning more about your own multidimensionality. We have Zachiel coming through with a lot of compassion. I think for yourself, dealing with this, as well as for others. I think they're clearing a lot out from the past. I have Raphael coming through. He's healing the heart. He is talking about, cycles and patterns. That's what they keep showing me and they keep telling me. I feel like you're being healed very deeply by the earth as well. As above, so below, is what I'm hearing. And you're being healed. This is being removed from you. This is being cleansed from you, from your field. I have Sandalphon coming through, and he's giving you a little bit more ancient wisdom or knowledge, and I think that's part of the multidimensionality, so that you understand and can be able to work with these planetary cycles. More consciously. So that things go in your favor. And you're going to build trust with this knowledge. And you're going to see the manifestation of miracles that happen because you're going to be investing in yourself. Sandalphon also says that there is something about a rare alignment. Trust that something new, some new opportunity is coming your way. He's saying even though you don't see it, you are protected. Even though you don't know it. Even though there's things that you do not know, you are protected. All right, let's see who wants to come through for you. Ooh, let's see. I'm not going to do the last part because it just takes too much time and it's like kind of confusing. So we're just going to do this part and let's see who comes through for Aries today, please, for their greatest and highest good. Thank you. Some of you, this is Your family, some of you, this is at work I'm hearing. Some sort of partnership. Oh. Some of you, this happened a long time ago. Oh. Message for Aries, please, for their greatest and highest good. Thank you. Is there a little bit more message for Aries today, please, for their greatest and highest good? Thank you. Oh, this could be an air sign that's coming through. It could be on the other side. I don't know. Message for Aries today, please, for their greatest and highest good. Thank you. Oh, yes. This whole reading could be about a man who's an air sign who was involved with law, and they want you to they're building your trust, that there is multidimensionality, that it's helping to build someone's trust. Because I think someone questions whether or not this is possible. There's somebody out there, and trust me, I've been there. I have been there. There's someone out there. And I think this is the story. This may be the story of this man who's an air sign, somebody that you know from childhood, that was either a police officer, lawyer. This is his story. And this whole reading is taking place to help you build trust, knowing that the universe has miracles. Okay. That's very possible. All right, let's see. Okay. All right. An apology is coming. Things are changing for the better. Don't deceive yourself or others. Sending you a big bear hug. The throat chakra is strong, vibrating and receiving messages. Okay. Now, when I do this, I tap into everything. Not just spirit, all at once. So I'm tapping into the angelic realm, as you can see, multidimensionality. I'm tapping into all realms all at once because they know that I'm learning as well that I can handle it. And so some of these messages are not going to be from your loved one. Some of these are from the angelic realm. Okay? I'm very, very sorry. Love yourself enough to say no. Spirit is guiding you in a new direction. Spirit guides are coming through. Someone's spirit guides are coming through. Did I tell you how much I love you? I want to say, this is what you're going to hear from someone. I'm so proud of how brave you are. It's okay to let people see the real you. I also have a child energy coming through. A special gift is on the way. Oh my goodness. And I have a father figure. Okay. Oh my gosh. And I have a deceased friend. See, I get them all. They all come through. Because they're trying to help as many people as possible, and they're trying to reach as many people as possible. If someone was hoping for a message from their child, they're coming through. They want you to know that this world is multidimensional and that they are coming through. Father figure. It could be the air sign that was a police officer or lawyer, or I don't know, or this could be the deceased friend, because I was really getting that. That one was very strong. The deceased friend was really coming through strong. And I think this was part of his story, that he didn't take responsibility. And I also had the father figure. And I'm trying to feel if I felt the child at all, if it was very subtle. Very subtle. They're saying they're still here. Okay, what I am going to do is I'm going to call in all the guides, guardians, angels, Reiki masters. Please come be with us for the sign of Aries today. Please, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please help cleanse and clear all illusion, all disharmony, all unhappiness. Please bring in love and joy. Open the doors so that they may learn, hear, feel, and see multidimensionality. Help them to build trust in their own intuition and guidance and gifts, I'm hearing. Help them to have compassion for themselves and for others. Help them to stay grounded as they learn and grow. Give them the knowledge and the wisdom that they need to guide them through life and bring in miracles. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a great reading. A lot came through. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Thank you so much for being with me, and until next time.